I remember some years ago on a day I had three deadlines, two press statements to write, and no idea on how to transcribe a 45-minute interview before midnight. I had no support. It was just me, a laptop, and a truckload of stress. If you are a journalist in Nigeria or really anywhere, you probably know that feeling. You're doing everything and you're still wondering if you're doing enough. That's why I'm starting Gen AI journalism with Titi because I know what it's like to juggle reporting, editing, fact checking, investigations, video editing, and still want to grow. Over the years, I've trained hundreds of journalists to use AI and multimedia tools, not because it's trendy, but because these tools can help you work smarter and even tell better stories. And here's the best part, I'll be reviewing different AI tools, showing you exactly how they work, what they can do, and how you can actually plug them into your workflow. Whether it's scripting faster, transcribing interviews in minutes, generating story ideas, editing video, audio on the go. I'll break it down step by step. Full breakdowns, tutorials, and tool reviews, you find those on YouTube. Quick tips and newsroom hacks. That's what Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and X are for. But this is a journey, not a lecture. And I'm still learning, and I want you to build this with me. So, what tools are you curious about? What's slowing you down at work? Tell me, I'll test them, explain them, and show you how to use them to make your work easier. I'm building this for you, and I'm learning right alongside you. So, follow, subscribe, tag, and send this to a fellow colleague. Let's make journalism less stressful and way more powerful with AI and storytelling that works for you. This is Gen AI Journalism with Titi.